first, we're going to open Google Drive, go to Shared Folders. You'll see Systems, so you'll click that. Then you go to the Welcome Flyer template, click on that. You can copy and paste this link, copy that, open up your browser like Safari, paste it in the search bar and go. You'll click Use Template. You'll have to log into your Canva account. You can log in with your email on Google, which is what I did. And then it allows you to edit. So scroll down to the bottom, click the newest person's, whatever template that you like, duplicate that, and then you'll click on the picture. You're gonna click Upload Files, upload it from your device, photo library, tap on your prospects or new distributors photo, so you can add it to the welcome flyer, and then click on that. It'll replace the photo. You can then adjust the photo the way that you like it. And then you'll change the name. So make sure that the name is theirs. So you'll type in your new distributor's name right there. And then everything else in the template is pretty much straightforward, just very much welcome to the team, Race to Freedom, then the Legacy. You'll click download. And then instead of downloading all the pages, click on the pages, unselect all pages, and then select current page. And then download. So it will only download that one flyer of your distributor. Then click download again, and then you see the arrow in the top left. This is for Safari, so you'll tap that arrow, then tap on downloads, click on that downloads, and then at the bottom here in the square, you can save image to your photo library on your phone. Then open photos, and there's your new distributor slide.